Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel where we turn tech tips into easy wins for your everyday life. Today I'm going to show you exactly how to set up notifications in Google Sheets so you'll never miss a change or update on your spreadsheets again. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to automatically get emails whenever your sheet is modified, which is a game changer if you're collaborating with others or tracking important data. Let's dive right in and make sure you stay totally in the loop with your spreadsheets. First things first, open up the Google Sheet you want to monitor. We're going to start by heading to the Tools menu, which you'll find along the top bar of your screen. Sometimes it's tempting to look for notification settings elsewhere, but in Google Sheets, all those options live tucked away under Tools. Once you click on Tools, you'll see a drop-down menu. What you're looking for is Notification Settings. Go ahead and click on that. You may notice a window pop up showing any current notification rules if you've set them up before. If not, don't worry, we're about to set this up fresh. Click on Edit Notifications. This is where all the magic happens. This part might seem a little technical at first glance, but it's really just about telling Google Sheets when and how you want to hear from it. Now, under Set Notification Rules, you get to decide what you want to be notified about. Let's walk through the two most useful options. The first is any changes are made. When you select this, Google Sheets will keep you posted about absolutely any edits in the spreadsheet, whether someone updates a value, adds a row, or even tweaks a formula. This is super helpful if you need to stay on top of every single adjustment, especially if you're managing something like a team budget or a project tracker where details are always changing. Next, you'll see a user submits a form. This is perfect if your spreadsheet is connected to a Google form and you're collecting responses. By checking this box, you'll get notified every single time someone fills out and submits your form. So if you're using Sheets for event registrations or feedback collection, you'll be instantly aware the moment someone responds, no need to keep refreshing the page. Alright, moving on, you also get to choose how you're notified. Here you'll see two options, Email Daily Digest and Email Right Away. If you love getting all your updates in one neat summary at the end of the day, the Daily Digest is the way to go. But if you need up-to-the-minute alerts, maybe you're waiting on a critical update, select the Right Away option. Don't worry too much about being overwhelmed. Google does a pretty good job of grouping changes to avoid flooding your inbox unnecessarily. After you've made your selections for when and how to be notified, double-check the email address at the top. Here it should show your account for this example. Let's say it's demotestraining@gmail.com, but make sure it's the address where you really want to receive updates. If it looks good, just click Save. Hang tight for a moment while Google confirms your settings and you're all set. And that's it. From now on, you'll be the first to know anytime someone makes a change or submits a form to your Google Sheet. It's a small setup that can save you loads of worry and help you stay organized. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to hit that like button. Got any questions or want to share how you use notifications in your own workflow? Drop a comment below. I love hearing from you. And if you want more helpful how-tos just like this, make sure you subscribe and ring the bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.